Good afternoon, fellas. This is Ed at Lower Mill Farmstead. We have a 2210 sweet little John Deere tractor here. It's low hours, fellas, 388 hours, I believe. It's a very nice tractor. We did a full service job. We changed the fluids, changed filters, and got this thing fully greased up. This thing is in great condition. No issues as we see it here, and it's ready to work in your garden, whatever jobs you have around the place. This thing will do it all. I'm going to jump on this tractor and start it up for you fellas, and then feel free to give us a call here at Lower Mill Farmstead or shoot us an email.